So today we will automate WhatsApp chat. So first we will go to command prompt. We will type cmd, which is stand for command prompt, and here we will write pip install install pivot kit. This is a package which will automate our WhatsApp SMS and will send it on its specific time. So we will hide this. Here I will import that package, import pivot kit as kit. This is a Python library which have built-in function for automate the WhatsApp SMS, and we will write here a constructor kit dot show word message. Here we will write the specific number which to whom you want to send your SMS. This may be your friend, your family, or any other one. So here you can type the mobile phone number or computer number through which he or she have WhatsApp account. So here I will copy a dummy number like this. You can add your friend or family or someone's contact number. So 92345 and 6 zeros, I think. Here I will set comma, and here I will write my actual message. Here I will type message. After this I will type time on which you want to send your SMS. So I will type 20 24. 20 stand for hour and 24 stand for minutes. So I will run my program and will check if this work or not. So after running my program, you can see in terminal that in second will open after 20 seconds. So this means our program runs